Hello. Hello, I'm Neeraj, and we'll be starting in another 5 minutes. Can you guys hear me? Rashi will be starting in 5 minutes. I was not speaking. करने जा रहा हूँ. Okay. Okay. Good evening, everyone. I'm Neeraj, your host for today. And today I'm discussing the IIFT paper, which which basically is one of the toughest paper. But the best part is that you don't have to solve everything. Okay? And the fact is, this paper, when I was discussing the IIFT logic, I talked, this is our section. You got to pick up only one RC, and mark should be 3.2. Okay? Then the second section, which is verbal, you should do only vocab plus PJ. This will take 15 minutes. Please understand that RC is a pretty long, and the other thing is that the RC is detailed. If it's 2-page, and if you do not have the details, so therefore you got to read it very slowly. Otherwise, you'll miss a trick. GK on person. And frankly, I can eliminate. GK can be eliminated. Some questions cannot, but many questions can be eliminated. Okay. And after that we come to, it's the reasoning section. You got to map. Maths are arithmetic and basic algebra. And DI 2 steps. This is what all you need to do, and you have a call. You have a call. Provided you have the mental potency to do all these. Okay? Now, frankly, I'm sure that you have attempted this paper, then only I can do English. Maths and reasoning I can explain otherwise. Just tell me whether you have done RCs or not. Just give me yes, yes in RC. So many people have done RC and many people have not done RC. Now we move to the first section, you see, I'll just show you the RCs are so big. It is your luck how you pick it up. I'm just trying to explain it, how the answer will come. Okay? Now you see, now there is a true statement they are asking. If you have not read it in detail, according to narrator, the above mentioned journey was taking place during full moon period. Nothing was mentioned about full moon. So definitely this cannot be answered. Okay. The second question which comes, according to Consi, the captain of Nautilus in which they were traveling was really had been corroborated by many people. Now, what will that be? Okay. This again was not given. This again was not given. He was not always having his way. Now, the fact is, was it the effect of, just read these lines. Whatever the whole scribe seemed backed by what as a conscience, he could not believe his eyes and questioned to me, yes, the cause of this trade. That means formidable group of staff. So all these things he was not in control. So therefore, this was the answer. Okay? Many people are saying that my voice is being broken. Sometimes it happens that maybe the lines are bad. Okay. Now the second question, after entering the northern hemisphere, the narrator witnessed several sea creatures, several varieties who kept bumping on the windows of the submarine. Now here you will see, okay, there were sharks. So this is true. So therefore this cannot be the answer. After that, on 25th of January, the second of Nautilus came to platform for measuring the altitude of the sun with a sextant. Now you will see the sextant logic was here. As he was taking observation with the sextant, one of the sailors, and 21st to 23rd January was here. So therefore, 25th therefore, we can definitely mark the answer as, as B, which is false. So this becomes the answer. I hope everybody is getting what I'm trying to put across, that you got to have a very detailed knowledge. Okay. Uh, Detailed knowledge. Okay. Everyone, it is clear. Shaun, have you read the passage or you have not read the passage? If you have not read the passage, it will be a problem understanding RC. Okay. Then match the following. Now you know sharks will have snouts. So shark will have snouts. So 2/4. 2/4 is there. 2/1 is not there, not there, not there. Therefore, A is the answer. Is this clear to everyone? I hope this is clear to everyone what I'm trying to talk of. Sharks have snouts. Even one thing you remember, the question can be answered. Why I started with the chronic RC first and not GK. I don't start with GK because GK I do not know so many things that my morale can be low. So therefore, and my concentration is there. So whatever comes first, I do it. After that, fourth, finding true statement, and that was very, very clear. Okay. Either this and this. Here it was probably, he was making conjecture. Okay, which was owned by PO. So therefore this was not the answer. And this was the answer. Okay. Around today it was around 36. It was 34 to 30, 36. Okay. So you will see that you could have gone at least 3 correct. So therefore you would have got the answer as 2.2. 2.2 marks here in the first section. So everyone, it is clear if you done this. After that, we come to the second one. This is about model, car model, and management inventory. Now, the fundamental is very simple. The fundamental is very, very simple. This was more of a detail, and if you are bothered about management principles, the inventory, another thing, you could have got it easily on your own. Okay. Uh, there were little sections of the task, but the fact is, if you do this, what I've told you, then there will be no problem at all. Now, passage 2, if you just go through, find out, according to passage, the working of being heavily exploited by all players in the software business. No, it cannot be exploited, and it was not given. Analysis of the supply chain of the product is sent to the warehouse by the dealer. Dealer, they lead to obvious increases in cost. It was not the only thing, so therefore this cannot be. Because of the problem, the inventory was the main problem, which was this thing. The nature of the computer industry says that production decision at factory level is usually undertaken after getting the customer demand feedback from the distributor. No, they are proactive. Generally, they are proactive. So was, this was, this was also not the answer. So the answer is the for Delhi. Okay? As mentioned, always ensure that no competitor can lower. How can it be? Matchmaking or thing like this is very good. If you will see, here that they talked about inventory velocity. Okay. I'll just show you in the last page, they talked about inventory velocity. You will see this term inventory velocity. So if the inventory velocity is there, so therefore, therefore, inventory is velocity. So either this choice is correct or this choice is correct. Then 2, conventional manufacturing, the inventory problem. So therefore, this will be connected to this, and that is why C will be the answer. Okay, I hope I'm clear about this question. Now find out the false statement. This again, if you have read it in detail, there'll not be any problem at all. Many people are saying that there's a voice problem, and I do not know what to do in such case. That, that is the issue, because that is an internet problem. Will reconnect help? I feel so. Interconnection is okay. I've got a broadband, so that will not be a problem. And previously I've taken the lectures from this only, so it has been correct. But yes, many places is getting problem. What will I do? Just hold on. I'm just going to uh, like the speakers and the headphone. I'm just going to reconnect. Let's see. बहुत लो वॉल्यूम भी आता है। Can you hear me now? Hello, can you hear me? Eh? But I can feel, the आवाज पहले आती थी, इसमें आती थी, घर में बहुत अच्छा आता है. यहाँ पे पता नहीं क्या जाता है.
Yes, sir, you can start the session. You are audible.
क्यों? तो पूछो. है? नहीं, ये भी तो बहुत पुरानी नहीं है. Okay, so should I restart my teaching? Should I restart my teaching? Okay. So up till now, you have observed that in RC section, you got to read it very, very thoroughly. So around 15 minutes go. But the fact is, you have got 2.5 to 3 marks. And you will have to do RC because the cutoff can never be more than that. So one RC is must. Agreed? I hope my voice is much better than last time. Now we come to the next section. Now we come to next section, that is verbal. Right? frankly, verbal, all the people who have studied in good English medium and who have good vocab, they have an advantage. People like me finish this section in 10 minutes. This is a 10-minute question for me. Okay. Now you just observe that how it can be done in 10 minutes. Repeat, it is basically, when dead, the when we talk about dead, so there was no direct answer. But the fact is, rain is something which is current. So therefore, I mark this rain as the answer. Because that is about it dead and this is about at least current which is taking place. Same way, aspersion is something kind, like aspersion. I'm having an aspersion because of the voice is not very, very clear. So you are having little problem and you are against things. But the fact is, obeisance is again something which is that yes, you follow everything. So therefore, this becomes the right answer. After that, solidity. Solidity is what? Is little that you are obstruse. That means you don't want to follow, you like to stay. That it is more from stone and solid. Solid is nothing but stone and solid. When you are stone, that means you are not moving. Therefore, agility is the answer. So in 1 minute, 3 questions can be done. After that, again I don't see the screen moving, and so that is a problem. Can you guys hear me? Yeah, suddenly the screen has started moving. Suddenly the screen has started moving. Thank God. Ridashi, now others are able to listen. Just think of it. Okay. 16 to 18. If you are from convent, Jesus Christ drank from chalice. So therefore this was the answer. Definition of species: strong acid, erosive. Briny is salty. Puerile is childish. So vitriolic is something which we all know. So this is the answer. Meaning an upward slope or grade. That is activity. In fact, I know the meaning of all the words, but the people who have got problem is having. Now, here they are asking similar analogy. It's a simple analogy. Now, what is paragon? Is very good. Very good. And travesty is little bad. So it is opposite. So here you will see autonomy and subordination. So therefore, these two will be opposite. Now, contrite is also touched and obdurate you cannot understand. You cannot understand as the problem is taking place because of my voice. I am obdurate. Okay. So therefore, if you will see, that means both are having the same meaning. Grievous is lamentable can also be the answer. Because the fact is grievous that you grieve, but that is basically you are crying over. And lament is something on another. Aphoristic and asterisk. That means these are kinds of phrases and phrases. So therefore, there is a choice between these two, and the person who knows the aphorism, probably he will pick up the right answer. Picadillo is a small flaw. Flaw is again. So therefore, it is again same meaning. I am doing question number 2021. So I think there's some problem with the slide. People have to scroll down. Okay. Okay. Now, Picadillo is a small flaw. Flaw is a flaw. That means it has the same meaning. Now, clandestine is, something hidden. Openness is open. So they are opposite. Nick and score. In nick of time and score, that means, therefore, they are nearly the same meaning. Same meaning. But still, forensic, we know that it is regarding criminal and judiciary, they are different. Invasion, push is revolution. So they are again different meaning. So nick, you nicked it, that means you got something, and it is score, also you got something. So therefore, you get the answer. Okay? So, Swapnil, I hope you have been able to get it now. Okay. After that, so you realize that 13 to 22, sorry, mutter distinct are not good. You mutter when voice is not clear. Right now, this is happening, then I am muttering according to many people. So therefore, indistinct, again, they are same. Same. So define and easy is not the same. Blunder and polished is not. Articulate and well spoken are synonyms. So therefore, this is the answer. Clear to everyone? This is a very simple. Now we come down to the next. Now, fill in the blanks. You just see, Justice Mona Bola confronted with a general inactivity of local police, placed, अब देखिए, placed what? Placed a malediction, a curse. Malediction is curse. ठीक है, Justice Minister, I pray that we make big holes in their pocket. That means he is trying to get back at them. That means it is a curse. So it will be malediction. So it's again very, very simple. That that he will pass his exam. We all know prophecy is something said. But I'm doing the prophecy when I do not know the meaning. But the I will make a prophecy is correct. So these two can be here. But this cannot be correct. Therefore, B is the answer. Okay? Again, chat and question answer are not moving. Carol answer people just look into it. Now, 25th. Imagine an public figure attacked by press and public who's facing an inquiry into allegation. Therefore, what is it? That means a person is down and out. When he's down and out, endangered cannot be there. Empowered is powerful, so it cannot be there. Engrossed also cannot be there. So therefore, embattled. In battle, somebody becomes weary. So therefore, this is the Kanika prophecy and prophecy. CY, soothsayer or a person or a godman. Okay. When they state something, it is called prophecy. And SY, I do not know the meaning, but from here it's very clear that it is, means it is the act of doing it. Verb and noun. Okay? Okay. Then, Again, 26th is the problem because many people will not be knowing lugubrious. His listeners enjoyed his lugubrious is mournful. Wit cannot be mournful. So these two answers cannot be there. His bitter wit also cannot be there. In French we know that you have to dig. So therefore, wit will be French. Okay? And obviously winced will be, and winced we all know when we get the pain. So therefore, this is the answer. Frankly, 27 to 30, the grammar, you can't do it. Anyway, I do not know grammar, but I have been able to clear all exams, so that is not a problem. Now we come to the para jumble. They are easier than cat. Easier than cat. Longer, but easier. First of all, you see, either it will start from 3 or either it will start from 1. Now just check. The economy's performance in expenditure terms was even purer, with real GDP contracting after a gain of 0.5% in the October-December quarter. Okay? Okay. And then, data from the statistics, New Zealand government agency shows an utmost economic performance in January to March 2000. So obviously from the time analysis, this comes first. So these two cannot be answered. Now third part, 2 or 4, that you have to check it. On an output basis, the government preferred measure because it is less volatile than expenditure. The economy contracted in real terms from the previous quarter. 2. After that, 4. Okay. Anybody is having any problem in any parajumble? Anyone having any problem in parajumble? Ankit, which question you are talking about? The last para jumble. Okay, that means the 33rd question. Okay. Now you see, again the answer can be starting with 333. So I definitely went for 3 only. Checked it. The Chinese and Japanese people are very similar at a genetic level. After that, you have to go for other connect because directly you were not getting. Because next one will be what? Fourth. Meta can provide very specific pointers. Now, metabolomics, how will you get that? That was not very, very clear. Okay. So this cannot be there. But 2, little is known about its effect. What is its effect? Okay. Little is known about its effect. So we do not know. Okay. Uh, are you getting the point? So after that, I went for 1. It is a clear illustration of the major role played by diet. He says 1. After that, 4 can provide very specific pointers. So therefore, we went for 4. अब देखिए 4 के बाद metabolomics has come, and after that, for instance, unexpected metabolic marker. Here we got it. That means we got this metabolic marker, and after little is known about its effect. That means 2 will come after that. So 5 and 2 will come together. So therefore, okay, therefore 5 and 2 is a connect which is nowhere there. Okay? Whatever cause this seems to have a role in regulating blood pressure. And little is known about this effect, but changing this level with different might help to control high blood pressure. Got a point? So therefore, 5 and 2 we can get it. Again, 34, 35, they are grammar, so it is very, very difficult. Now you analyze it. We have done around 15 questions. 10 correct, 10 correct, 5 wrong. So, every question had 0.7. So 7 and 5 wrong, that means around 1.4. 1.75, around 1.2 marks gone. So therefore, this still gets you 5.8. Earlier, we had scored 2.2. 2. So total becomes 8 marks. And that is decent. And you will take 30 minutes. This clear to everyone? Okay. There's a lot of demand. There's a lot of demand for DI. So should I do the DI in the beginning? Don't worry, all the people who are from DI, I will do any 2 sets which will ask me to do it. Okay. You will have to calculate percentages, and if you do not have good calculation, then you are in a problem. And you will have to be with me in DI all the time. I'm coming to, I never decide how many. I keep doing because I know that I cannot take maths more than 30 minutes. I cannot take DI more than 20 minutes. You see the timing which I am talking of. RC 15 minutes. Verbal 15 minutes. GK 10 minutes. Now I've got this becomes 40 minutes. I've got 25 minutes. 5 minutes for paper viewing. What all is coming? Now I will do 20 minutes DI, math 30 minutes, and 25 minutes reasoning. Or if my maths is not very good, I will go to reasoning more. Understood my point? From Shubham, you are saying GK. Now I'll just discuss GK. Look, this you cannot do. This you cannot do. This you cannot do. This you cannot do. All 4 questions you cannot do. Because otherwise your GK has to be very, very good. Next page. Hockey World Cup. You cannot remember. G8 first question, this can be done. Launch the movement education for all. Obviously, when education for all will come, we know that which organization go for education for all. Okay. So therefore, that will always UNESCO. So this can be done. It's a member of OECD group. Now OECD, we all know what is it all about. So therefore, Mexico can be done. Okay. This can be done. Olympic city holds because Olympics is very, very easy. IPL franchises can be done. Somehow the books were very, very simple. The Google story, this we know is correct. And the other question we talk about, Google story we know. So only this is wrong. I did not even know who has written it, but this could be done. Okay. The name of the parliament, I do not remember. As in authored by Chidambaram, I remembered, but most of the people cannot do it. Yes. Next is European Union. This all know. This we all know massive treaty, so this could be done. A tie with German insurer. If you remember Bajaj Allianz. Allianz is the only name which is German. So it comes Bajaj. This cannot be done unless until you make notes of it. This we always know next slide is a state problem. So this cannot be central police forces. So this can be done. This border, yes, we always know what is the border problem. So obviously maximum is uh, uh, that Bangladesh. So we'll be going like Bangladesh, and the Bangladesh, then China, then Pakistan, then Nepal, then Myanmar. Myanmar has to be in the end. So District 54 is the problem. Not located Dholagiri, if you remember fine. NABARD, NAFED, here NABARD, everybody knows what is it about. NABARD is about refinancing agricultural credit, and NAFED has to be interstate sale of agriculture products. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and 4, 3. 1, 2, 4, 3. Only matches here. So therefore this becomes the answer. Yeah, they are carried out by man, carried out by CRPF, they take assistance. That too, to right also handling, our defense comes into picture. So CRPF will always, that is Central Reserve. So they can go anywhere. Okay. Correct sex ratio is very difficult. This is very difficult. Select the artist. Now, this we know, Holy Land is Palestine and Island of Pearls is Bahrain. So 2A, they get 2A. Only one is there or here is there. And 3 is 4. So 3 is 4. In both these two are there. So now you can say Emerald Island will have to be something has to be Ireland, so that will become Ireland because that has to be Ireland. So therefore, 1C will be the sorry, 1B. So therefore, C will be the answer. Okay. Incorrect what? I do not know. Antibiotics obtained from this we all know, antibiotic, Louis Pasteur, so all that is fungus. Okay, Alexander Fleming made it, so therefore, all this we are aware of fungus. So this question can be handled. Railway headquarters, we all know that north eastern is Gorakhpur. After that, they gave southeast central. Either it will be Bilaspur or Jabalpur. So if you would have checked northeastern 3D, 3D, 3D. After that, southeast central. So that means 1C, 1A. So then it would have been a problem. Okay. After that we come to 63, select the invention. So this we all know generally. Cassette audio Philips had made, supercomputer Sutherland had made, cloning Wilmot, so they are all correct. So 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D. But again I have to put a question mark because this is not an easy question. Again, diseases is a problem. So if you see, again you can do around 10 questions. And that is the key. If you can do 10 questions, it's more than sufficient. Okay, I think everybody is clear what I'm trying to talk of. Now we come to I'm taking you back to DI. Now, because the whole thing will not be visible, you will face problem. Sanjog, the DI cutoff is very, very low. It's generally, the DI, GK cutoff is 2 to 3. Okay. Agar, now, DI, first of all, you got to understand what you are going to take out. And are you comfortable with statements or not? That is the key. Look, as soon as I see the DI, okay, if I see calculation, I just get down to it. Okay? Yes, we approach for 2 and clear with 1.5 or 2. Buddha sir, you are perfectly correct. Now let me concentrate because I'll also need to calculate. Now, here they are talking about total brackets, this thing. As soon as I see this, I see that it is calculation. Calculation, I go for 3 digits. Not more than that. I'll keep rubbing it off. Generally, I do mentally. But, so please concentrate. Okay, find out the true statement. The number of covered wagons expressed as a percentage of total wagons declined consistently from 1993 to those are two, but increased marginally in 2003 as compared to previous year level. You just see, okay, declined consistently from 1993, 33, 15. I'll just go 157 is what? Around 50%. 312, 138, only 40%. 291, 1 again around it is more than 40%. 118, it is again more than 40%. 106, oh, it is less than 40%. Okay. 26, it is less than 40%. 99, it is less than 40%. 23, less than 40. Okay. So, therefore, I'll have to check it here. You see, 28 into 4 is 10. Is how much? Is 112. Here it is more than 40%, around 41%. And here you will see the percentage has increased. 31.2 into 4. How much it becomes? So देखिए यहाँ पे it becomes hello. I hope you guys are getting clear. Okay. So here you can see that every time they are decreasing, but increasing marginally as compared to the previous year level. Up here you will see 2003. Here it is how much? 21 say 71. It is 21, 71. 21 to 68. That means again it is decreasing. So therefore this cannot be answer. Can you get it? 216, 7 and 9. 214 to 684. It has decreased. And here they are saying increased. Okay. So therefore this cannot be the answer. After that, the special type wagons expressed as a percentage of total wagons is maximum during 2003. No. Special type variance is here. You will just see 364 is what percentage of triple two. Triple two, that means you just see triple two goes how many times? More than 1.5 times. So this becomes a very, very tough calculating question. I would have left this question. Why? Because I had to calculate it for all the 12, 13 years. When I was taking IIFT, I always said that we will be taking questions, but we will not be doing all the questions. Is that clear? Now, but other questions we are not going to leave. The special type of vehicles, okay, I'm just marking out on the paper. The special type is this one. The special type is this one. So we will be checking the spatial type of vehicles expressed as a for almost at the same level during the following phase of years. Now, 95, 479 and 291. Yeah, 29, I'll only take 29 is to 47. So how much is more? 29, 18. So 18 of 29 is around, that means 1.6. 1.6. 2001. 2001. यहाँ पे is 22. यहाँ पे it is 38. 22. And 22 into 1.6 is 13. So it becomes 35. So this cannot be the answer. Now, after that we come to 98 and 2004. 98, you see 26. And here it is 43. We have 44. I'll just say 26 and 44, 18. So it is around 1.75. 2004. 2004 is around 23, is 39. Now, 22.7 and 39. So how much is the difference? 16. 16 is still, I will put it, it is more than, it is less than 75. There it was more than 75. So still I'll check it out. 2000 and 2002. 2000 is 23. And here it is 403. So 23 into 47, 1.8 times. 2002, 216, 372. So how much is more? It is 150, 156, which is around, again, 80%. So therefore, for 2000 and 2002 will be, 2000 to 2004 will be better answer. Can you realize I'm only doing with 2 digits? You don't have to be bothered that much. And if you do it from 2 digits, the answer can come. Now, the departmental brackets, I just clear everything so that again you will get the third question, 127. The departmental wagons, I'll just mark what are departmental wagons. Okay. the biggest one. What I'm doing. Okay, this is departmental variance. Now you will see this is departmental variance. The departmental variance expressed as the percentage of total variance was maximum during. Now here I have to do only 4 calculations. So therefore, this should be done pakka. Okay, was maximum during 2002. 2002. You will see 216 and departmental vacancies 95. So 95 is around 45%. Okay. 2005, triple two, and it is 109. Around 50%. 2004, 227, 113.8. It is 50. And 2003, 214.7, 107.18. Now you realize that this is coming 4.99, this is coming 5. But you can see 227, 103.8 is more than half of this, whereas 107.18 is not half of 214.76. Therefore, answer is C. Okay? I use the answer will not be 2003 because you see 107.18 is less than half of 214.76, where 113.88 is more than 227.75. Therefore, answer will be 2004. Okay. After that 4, the lowest annual growth among the following. Again, this we can clearly do it. Lowest annual growth. We just have to check the annual growth rate of total wagons in 99. So we know that this is total wagon. Okay, 99. It is reducing 263 to 252, around minus 4%. Okay. The annual growth of covered wagons in 1998. I do not know what is covered wagons. So I'll be going to covered wagons. Acha, the second column. So you will see in 1998, 106 to 1, so it is cannot be, it is less than 4%. This is more. This is more. 263, that is directly a difference of 11. So there is much more than 4%. Okay. After that, I'll have to see annual growth rate of special type vacancies in 2002. This is special type. 2002. So if you see 38, 37, it cannot be 4%. So this cannot be the answer. This is still coming 4 plus percentage minus. And annual total vacancy capacity in 2000. Total vacancy capacity is this. So you will see I'll again I have to check total vacancy capacity. No. Okay, this is the number. Capacity in 2000. So this is the question. This is the total vacancy capacity. And in 2000, if we check, 10.7 to 10 point, so the reduction is 4.54. So you will see it's again 4 point some percentage. So there will be big fight, but the answer will be 128A. So the 127, 214.76 point Artha is 107.38. And there it is given 107.18. Okay? Yes, it will be close answers. But if you take 2 to 3 digits, it can be done. If you take in thousands, it will never come. Okay. Now we come to the next step. You see, as soon as these one-liner questions, one-liner, I crack, I solve. You just have to calculate values. Here, 45. In which year the average growth rate of total production of all production is highest? We can see that here it is increasing everything. So anyway, I can put 92 as the answer. Because here it is low and here 30. But we'll have to just check 92 or 93 will be the answer. So I just check. 45, this will be 98, this will be 105, and this will be 76. Okay, so 105 plus 45, 150, sorry, 160 and 174. 334 is the total here. Here, 25, 40, 92, 158. So 250, 290, 315. So therefore, 92 is the answer. Because here is a down, but here it is increasing. 40, this is 108, 106, and there it comes to 165. So the answer will be 165, 205. 205 plus 214. 205 plus 214. That means 419. So the answer comes to 1992. Okay? After that, this question, you can leave it. Stability of the production is defined as average production upon maximum production minus which of the products is most stable. If you calculate all the values, okay, okay, so uh, the problem is that this question will take a lot of time. So this, okay, so this should be done little later. Then 133 can only be done by logic. Just analyze this. If 4 products PQRS shown in the graph are sold at the price of rupees 9, rupees 4, rupees 13, respectively, of the order lowest in which year? Obviously, lowest will be where the C and A are low quantity. The C and A are low quantity in which year? C and A. C and A are low in which year? This year. Because this is, this is R, this is P. So P and R are low in 1993. So therefore, this will be the answer. And this can be done very, very coolly. Is this clear to everyone? Fourth question individual revenues of PQRS for the entire period is calculated on the place of rupees 9, rupees 4, which product fetches the lowest revenue. Obviously, when it is 3, whom do you think will get you the lowest revenue? It is a very, very simple this or rupees 4. So either it will be Q or it will be S. However, the graphs of you will see S are bigger than Q all the time. So therefore, the answer is Q. Varun, I just said 133. If you analyze it, the prices are here. All the products is lowest over. So obviously rupees 4, rupees 3. Okay. These are always cheaper. Basically P and R, they get maximum money. So whichever year, P and R will be lowest. So P and R are lowest in 1993. So therefore that year we will have the lowest revenue. Now these three questions, you could have done it in 5 minutes. Now for this you will have to calculate uh, this thing, okay. But you can definitely see here uh, that cumulative rupees of P and Q is more than the cumulative the revenue of S in 1993. Obviously, the logic is simple. Q is more expensive, P is very much more expensive, S is cheaper. The S is 140. 140 into 3, 420. Then this will be, P is how much? P will be P is 9. So definitely, even if it is 40, 40 into 9 will become 360. And Q and 4. So 16 to 4 is 240. Okay. So therefore, the answer you are getting. So 312 plus 240 is more than 420. So 135 will be the answer. Rashki, just understand, cumulative is from the beginning till the end. Question number 134, if you will analyze it, which product fetches the lowest revenue. So obviously it will be either Q or it will be S. But as the bars of S are much bigger than Q, so therefore Q will be the answer. You can see all the places the bar of Q is much lesser than S. Okay? Every place the bar of Q is less than S. Therefore, 134 can be done just like that. Okay. I hope you people are getting that DI can be done. Agreed or not agreed? Just give me yes or no. Some question can be done. So your the problem that DI cannot be done. Yes, Surya Prakash, some can be done, but I'm giving you hope you can calculate and you learn that technique only do 2-digit or cumulative revenue, Srikanth, is that if supposedly fees revenues are, okay, that it will be done, uh, fees revenues are, then will be for 92, 90 also, 91 also, 92 also, 93. For all, this will be done. I I would have done 15 minutes only, these two sets. But for, now you see, again it's calculative like 3-digit, 2-digit, again I am doing one set. Okay, mark the highest FDI inflow rate among the following. These kind of questions are always do. Why? I have to be checking only 4. Now you see. Annual FDI inflow rate in Gujarat in 2006. Gujarat in 2006. Okay. So from how much it is becoming, you just see. 29 to 82. It is around 29. It is less than 3. It is less than 3. Agreed? Second, it is coming around uh, 2.8 times. Yeah, 2.7 times. 10. After that, annual FDI growth in Kerala in 2004. Kerala in 2004. Sorry, I am doing the Now, again you see, 72, 3 times would have been 210. 3 times. Here it is minus 11. That means 2.85. Okay. Next, Haryana in 2007. Haryana in 2007. 55.7 into 3 is 167 will be 3. So therefore again it is 2.85. That means this should be the, okay. Now we come down to, but it will be little more than that, 2.88. After that we come down to, in Punjab in 2004. Punjab in 2004. 62.7 into 3. That will make it 186, 188. Oh, it is around 2.8. So the maximum is coming in this case. So therefore this becomes the answer. For growth rate, aren't we supposed to subtract? Okay, let's put it. How many times? I always go for how many times it has become. And then I subtract what is the method of subtraction. We just see it has become 1.3 times, so 30% growth rate. If it has become 1.8 times, 80%. Jatin, you just check all calculation. What is the problem? We are not here to give. That is what I'm saying. That's why I'm doing DI. And the Karen launcher also said, because you know about my DI and learn from this. I'm calculating to the last digit. No, Ayush, they are very, very simple. 2.7, 2.8. If we take two digits, aren't we able to calculate it? Learn the technique how I'm doing DI. If you start doing, then answer will not come. Follow the next question. Mark the lowest FDI inflow rate. Okay. Answer of last question. Obviously, FDI, Haryana, it was 0.88 times. Okay? Now, lowest FDI grade. Okay. West Bengal in 2001. West Bengal in 2001. You will see from 67, it has become 21. 6.7 into 3. 6.7 into 3 is around 30. Sorry. 6.73 into 3 is 20. So it has become 31.5%. Okay? This is clear? Tanya, I will just do again, but just follow this question, otherwise you will miss this also. Okay, 67, so I'm just doing 67 to 21 I'm comparing. I'm not comparing anything, I'm only comparing 67 and 21. So 6.7 into 3 is 20.1. So how much is that? It's still zero point 0.9. 0.9, 0.67 will become around 1.5. So it will become 31.5. Okay. Here it is 31.5. And with Kerala in 2002. Kerala is here. 2002 is here. Now. Okay. Now, definitely you can see that it is much more than, okay. We did not take because here it is after you see 67.06 for 10%, 67, 6.7. But after that, after 1% will be 0.67. Okay. Now, here you see what has become Kerala, 53.5. So this around 38%. Yeah, 37%. 53 into 3 will become only 159. So therefore, that cannot be the answer. And when Maharashtra in 2004, Maharashtra in 2004, you see here, 21.4 into 3. Now, I'm just comparing 21.4 and, sorry, 214 and 69. So 30% will be 21.4 into 3, 63, 64.2. And after that, what will be left? 5. So 5 with 2.14 will go more than 2. So this will become 32 plus percentage. This is again less than this. Okay. After that, Annual Haryana in 2005. Haryana in 2005. Haryana in 2005. Here it is. Just see. 83.4 and 26.8. So first of all, I'll multiply 8.34 into 3. So that makes it 25. 25 is equal to 30%. Now how much is left? 1.8 divided by 0.8 is around 2%. So this will come to 32%. Here it was 31.5%. So therefore lowest is this. And this is how we do it. 10%, 1%. 37, negative terms, the lowest will always be, when it has become lowest percentage, it will become minus 68.5, not 31.5. So minus, so lowest will be minus that way. I hope I've explained two questions on this set. So this set is clear. Can I move to another set? You know, you don't have to be scared of any set. Now again you see, 141 to 145. Again the first question is, mark the lowest percentage among the ठीक lowest percentage among the following. So again there are 4 calculations I will love to do it. Okay. So you see, exports from Canada or for North America in 2000. So here it is Canada in 2000. So you again I will take 78 is what percentage of, 27 is what percentage of 70? North America is 122. 27 is what percentage of 122? So 122. So 10% is 12.2. So 20% will be 24.4. How much is left? 27. 2.6. So this becomes around 22%. Calculation is clear? Nitesh, only 2 is more than enough. 2 to 3. If 2, then 15 minutes you should run away. Just see this question. I'll only solve one question. I think everybody has understood how you have to go for. So first of all comes 22.2%. Export from Germany, export from Europe in 2004. Europe, Germany 2004. I will take 90 as what percentage of 40. So this will become 2.25%. This will become 2.25%. This is 2.2, this 2.25. Export from China, express of Asia in 2004. Asia, China. 305.76. This becomes 25%. That we can definitely see it. Okay. Law. Export, Japan express the proportion of export from Asia in 2003. Okay. Sorry, I've taken a wrong year, I suppose. This was the year. 59 of 262. So again it becomes 22%. Now we come to Japan. Asia in 2003. Japan. Now this one is a little problematic. Okay, because 21.4, so therefore that means 42.8, 42.8 and 47 point something is left. Okay, so therefore this will be, how much is left? 4.2. 4.2, so 2.13 cannot go twice. So this is less than 22%, and it is lowest. Yeah, Madhurma, I've done a mistake, so I have corrected it. So again, it is coming more than 22%. Only in case of Japan, it is coming less than 22%. Therefore, this is the answer. I think I should stop at DI. Should we move to maths or reasoning? Does answer reasoning or maths? Most of the people are talking about maths. So I'll go to maths. Maths, I'll not be solving all the questions. Please remember, I'm heavy duty. I'm supposed to be heavy duty person in maths who knows all the maths. Um, I've been a national Olympiad, but I run from maths in IIFT because it is too tough, many questions. I believe in going for arithmetic, but I read a question and that's all. Okay, you come to first question and you see the kind of less kind of hard work I do. A spiral is made